Hey beauties, it's Riri. Today's video is my Allure beauty box for the month of August. I will pop deets right here and we're gonna dive in. Alright, if you're unfamiliar with Allure Beauty Box, of course I popped up deets, but I do like the preface that Allure Beauty Box is generally kind of the best of beauty, the best of Allure. There are some newer releases, and they're, in my opinion and in my experience through the years, they're a little bit more skincare focused. So what I tend to do with the Allure Beauty Box is get it for like 3 or 6 months and then stop, and then get it for 3 or 6 months and then stop. It is generally $29.99, but they have all the time where you can get a discount. You can sign up for your first box and pay $10. So I opted to go ahead and sign up again. Elefantante in the room A. Yeah, I do have 2 different eye looks. This is the brand new launch of GOURMANDE Cosmetics. This is the Tones of Turd. I love both of these eye looks so much. They do not know I exist. I have no discount codes or anything like that. I did purchase this and I wanted to showcase it, and because I loved it so much, I opted to do 2 looks. So yeah, that's what's on my eyes today. We're gonna go ahead and dive in. We normally have like little pamphlets and stuff like that. It kind of gives pertinent details. It will tell us kind of what's in the box, things like that. And I wanna say, I don't know if I just picked my Tower 28 shade or if this was a bonus or if like everybody gets it or whatever the case may be, but I did get to pick the Tower 28, the Juice Balm Tinted Lip Balm. And this one is in shade, I have no idea, Mix, I guess is the shade. And I'll show you what that looks like. And I think even this it's very close to kind of like the price point for the entire box. And I opted to go with this beautiful nude. I wish that was representative of what this is, and I don't know if like the actual this part of the tube is what's supposed to be representative of it, but I thought, you know, you can't go wrong with a nude. Oh, that feels amazing. I might actually try that out. It's got some pretty good pigment to it too. I don't smell anything at all, which I'm not mad at that. I'd rather not have a smell at all, y'all, than to smell not good. You know what I'm saying? All right, next up, we have the Innisfree, the Green Tea Amino Acid Cleansing Foam, Facial Cleansing Foam. And there are generally 3 full-size items. I'm gonna say this is probably a full size, but we'll read our deets and stuff. Next up. I'm sorry. If you're new here, I'm sorry. Next up is the Fresh Black Tea Advanced Age Renewal Eye Cream. Anti-wrinkle, firm, brighten. Ooh, that sounds nice. And y'all, this itty bitty little thing is very heavy. Ooh, I'm excited about that. And if you've tried anything that I am unboxing today, please let me know. I love the packaging of that so much. Ooh, definitely intrigued. So as you can see, it's gearing a little bit more skincare heavy, which I'm fine with, 100% fine with. All right, next up, ooh, this is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow PHA and BHA Pore Tight, I cannot speak today, Pore Tight Toner. This is a mini, but I will say this kind of feels like a pretty good size. I have tried this in the past. It is a nice, beautiful, oh my gosh, I almost dropped it, glass bottle. I love Glow Recipe products. Like everything I've ever tried, I've really enjoyed. All right, next up, we have Bloom Buds Power Patches for Acne-Prone Skin with Salicylic Acid and Hydrocolloid. I do not need these. I do keep a little like sampler pack of some just in the rare case that I do break out, but I do generally pass these along to either my niece, my nephew, or my son, so they're definitely not gonna go to waste. And then last up in my box is the BFC or Beauty for Certain Pearlescent Taupe Cream Highlighter. Ooh, that looks really pretty. I have had a blush from them previously that I did really enjoy. It's completely packaged, or I would show you guys what it looks like, but hopefully you can get a good idea. Now, if this is like super balmy oily, I'm gonna hate it. If it's more creamy and sets down, I'll like it. So we have our blush, We have our Bloom Buds. We have our Fresh Eye Cream. We have our Glow Recipe Pore Tight Toner. We have our Innisfree Cleansing Foam. And then we have our Tower 28. So let me look up some deets for y'all. All right, our Tower 28 Juice Balm Vegan Tinted Lip Balm Treatment. They have the shades Drink, Mix, or Squeeze. And yes, I am seeing that all of them have the orange tips, and then the actual component itself is the shade that's on the inside. I kind of wish they would have like done the whole thing with the shade of the product, if that makes any sense. And retail value is $16 for the full size. So automatically that pays for about half of my box. Next up, we have the Fresh product. This is the Fresh Black Tea Anti-Aging Eye Cream. And it generally tells us, I won't read everything so I do not bore you to death, but it will tell us why you'll love it, how to use it, how much it is, and oftentimes we'll also be given a discount code for the particular brand. But because I'm intrigued by this and I just saw the price, holy hell, I'll read it for you. Why you'll love it. Fresh is a forever favorite skincare brand, and the smoothing eye cream in its beloved black tea line does not disappoint. Everything about it makes it a joy to use. The pretty pot, I agree. The way the cream feels cooling and soothing, and the blend of moisturizing and antioxidant ingredients, ceramides, black tea, vitamin C, that smooth and brighten the delicate skin around the eyes. And then how you'll use it, tap a little onto your under eyes morning and night. The formula feels so good, especially on hot summer mornings, that if you're anything like us, you'll want to keep going, applying it onto your brow bone and smile lines. This is $72 for 15 mils. So that is $72. That more than pays for the entire like price of our box and stuff like that. I'm extremely excited to try this. I'm using one currently, actually from Glow Recipe. So maybe when I finish that, I'll start this, or I can gift that to my mama and try this. Y'all let me know if you've tried this and it is that damn good. I'm gonna try it. All right, next up we have our Glow Recipe. This is the Watermelon Pore Tight Toner, and literally it's an exfoliating PHA, sweeps away dead skin, things like that. The retail price is $36 for 150 mils, and we ended up getting 40 mils in the box. And then there is a promo code here. I didn't see. Okay, there's a promo code here. Receive 15% off of your order, excluding kits, with the code Allure. That is valid August 1st through September 1st, and that's for Glow Recipe. Beauty for Certain. Our Beauty for Certain highlighter, shade 08 Pearlescent Taupe. Why you'll love it. Glowing skin is a summery makeup staple, and this creamy highlighter in a sparkling champagne shade delivers that and more, adding instant radiance to your cheeks and lids. With a clean finger, tap on the high points of your cheeks, and the retail price for this is $20 for 0.16 ounces. I am not wearing my glasses, so I don't actually know if that's a full size. I'm gonna assume it is. I'm not 100% sure, but $20 for 0.16. And then they have promo code, receive 20% off with code Allure20AUG, valid August 1st through September 30th. Next up, and I really do like that. I like that they're really trying to make sure that we are informed. We know how to use our products. We know why they were chosen for the box and stuff like that. So I love that. Next up, we could have actually gotten a choice. There we go. A choice of the Innisfree products. Innisfree Green Tea Enzyme PHA Toner. We could have gotten a cleansing foam, a serum, or a brightening serum. And then the retail price, we have the amino acid cleansing foam. The cleansing foam is $14 for 150 mils. We got 30 mils in our box. And this also offers a promo code. Receive 15% off of your Innisfree.com purchase. It says no exclusions with code IFALLUREAUG15, and this is valid August 1st through November 1st. So again, IFALLUREAUG15. And then last up in our box, we have the Bloom Buds Power Patches for acne. Salicylic acid and hydrocolloid are two of the best ingredients out there for shrinking pimples. Pimples, and you'll find both in these easy to use patches. If you are prone to the occasional breakout on hot, sweaty days, then these will help you get through. And then of course, right after washing, you're gonna put a patch on it and generally sleep overnight. These are retail price is $17 for 24 of them, and we get 12 in the box. They do also have a promo code. Receive 15% off with code ALLURE15, valid August 1st through September 20th. Again, I definitely feel like I always get a good bang for my buck. And these are honestly, everything here, pretty much other than this, I would use, and and again, I am somebody that I'm a huge fan of getting skincare. I know that we don't use skincare as quickly, and or it's a little harder to kind of test it. I know for myself, I generally use one cleanser, one toner, one exfoliating product, and one kind of targeted product about every 30 to 45 days or so. So yeah, you know, we're not using, you know, this up in 2 days. Whereas, you know, a blush, an eyeshadow, whatever the case may be, I could try that daily. I can try a different product every single day. Skincare is a little bit more finicky in that way. So that's why I choose to get it for a few months and then I stop. And then I get it for a few months and then I stop. So yeah, here is our little card. We also have, you can get add-ons and stuff like that as well. So let me know what you guys think. Are you a fan of Allure Beauty Box? Have you tested any of these products? I'd love to know. I am on the road to 10,000 subscribers this year, and I can only do that with your help. So if you do see this and you are not yet subscribed, please consider subscribing and give the video a thumbs up. You can also turn on notifications so you never miss an upload, and there's a join button down below that you can click to become a channel member for some exclusive perks. That's it. I love you all. Stay happy, healthy, and safe, and of course, be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.